Summer's Eve Freshening Spray Tahitian Sunset by Summer's Eve is one of the best sellers among baby powders products. 5 fresh benefits in one freshening spray: neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, won't disrupt natural pH, talc-free, clinically tested safe scents. Gynecologist tested, hypoallergenic, and formulated with vitamin E for smooth-feeling skin. Available in 5 fragrances: Tropical Rain, All-in Splash, Baby Powder, Ultra, and Tahitian Sunset. Summer's Eve Freshening Spray meets the manufacturer's safe scents quality standards that ensure that the fragrances you love are gentle enough for your most delicate skin. Spray some on in the morning for a fresh start, or carry a can with you for a little PM pick-me-up. Let's be honest, armpits aren't the only body parts that sweat. So we've created a time-released deodorant spray available in 4 fragrances just for this women's dilemma. Spray some on in the morning for a fresh feeling, or carry a can with you for a little PM pick-me-up.